Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and this is what to do when somebody can't hear you on Messenger. So guys, if you have that problem, it is very easy to solve. So to fix that issue, you can just simply change some permissions into your phone. So to do that, just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your system or to your phone. Now, over here, you just simply go ahead and scroll down until you see over here apps. So go ahead and tap on it. Now, over here, guys, just simply scroll down until you find the Messenger application, or you could use the search icon on the top right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the Messenger. Over here, you just simply go ahead and scroll down, and you will have here permissions. So now from here to fix the microphone, tap on the microphone over here and make sure that it is allowed. Or if you want to turn on the camera as well, you could just simply allow this over here. And much better, guys, you could just simply turn everything on so you won't have any issues using the app. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.